Good morning, my dear lovely patans. Yes, beta, how are you all? All are good and fine. Very nice, beta. Welcome in science class. In the previous classes, beta, we have completed the reading and exercise of lesson 7, adaptation in animals. Okay, and now today we are going to discuss the question answers, activity file and fun file of lesson 7. Okay, so open your notebook and start writing the question answers. Okay, beta. Yes, beta, these are the question answers of lesson 7, adaptation in animals. Okay, so open your notebook and start writing. On the top, write lesson 7, adaptation in animals. Mention the date also, 13th August 2021, part G. And question number 1, what do you understand by camouflage? Okay, what do you understand by camouflage? तो कैमोफ्लेज आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू दैट कैमोफ्लेज क्या है बेटा, इट इज द प्रॉपर्टी, आंसर में लिखो कैमोफ्लेज इज द प्रॉपर्टी यूज्ड बाय एनिमल्स. It is a natural phenomena or it is a property used by animals merge with the surrounding in order to escape from enemies. ठीक है, camouflage is the property used by animals to merge with the surrounding in order to merge with the surrounding in order to escape from enemies. ठीक है, this is question number 1 and answer number 1. Okay, yes beta. Question number 2, what is adaptation? Okay, we have already done this question in lesson 6. Okay, so right here you can write that answer also here. Write here answer. What is adaptation? The process in which an organism changes itself to suit its surrounding. ठीक है, surroundings is known as adaptation. Okay, the process in which an organism changes itself to suit its surrounding is known as adaptation. Now beta, question number 3, give 3 features that helps bird to fly in air. Okay, आपको 3 features लिखने हैं जो हेल्प करते हैं बर्ड्स की फ्लाई करने में. तो features, write down the answer, features that help bird to fly in air. That helps bird to fly in air. तो फर्स्ट क्या है, इन एयर आर, फर्स्ट क्या फीचर्स होंगे बेटा इसके, फर्स्ट फीचर क्या है, दे हैव लाइट एंड होलो बोन्स. दे हैव लाइट एंड होलो bones. Now second, they have streamlined bodies. They have streamlined bodies. And the third point is they have wings. They have wings. to fly. ठीक है, they have wings to fly. Okay, so these are the three features that help birds to fly in air. Now question number 4, what do you mean by arboreal animals and give some example. तो arboreal animals क्या कौन से होते हैं बेटा? The animals that spend most of their time on the trees are known as arboreal animals. Example, monkey and lizard, squirrel, lizard, etc. So animals that spend most of their time on the trees are known as arboreal animals. Example, monkey and lizard. ठीक है, animals. Okay. Now beta question number 5. Give 2 features that help animals to live both on land and in water. The animals that live on both land and in water are called amphibians animal. So you have to write the features of amphibians animal here. So features are first, they have gills and lungs to respire. They have gills and lungs to respire in water and land respectively. Okay, and now second, और क्या बेटा? They have limbs to move. They have limbs to move and fins to swim. Okay, they have limbs to move and fins to swim. So these are your question answers. 5 question answers. Write in your fair notebook. Okay. Yes बेटा, this is the activity file. Okay, activity file है ये आपकी lesson 7, adaptation in animals. Here are different types of animals, picture of different type of animals, and you have to with the help of these picture you have to give the answer. So name the following with reference to the picture given above. 2 terrestrial animals. अब इसमें आप find out करो बेटा terrestrial animals कौन से हैं? Camel and snake. 2 aquatic animals, crab and turtle, है ना? crab है ना, और turtle. Now 2 amphibians, that is frog and salamander. Then 2 aerial animals कौन से है बेटा? bat and ये क्या है? arctic tern. ठीक है, arctic tern. Then 2 arboreal animals, monkey and squirrel. So camel, snake, crab, turtle, frog and salamander, bat and arctic tern, monkey and squirrel. Okay. Now beta next fun file. Tick the features of a fish that suited to live in a water. You have to tick mark on the features of the fish. First, it breathe through gills. That is correct, क्योंकि वो गिल से breathe करती है. It has a streamlined bodies. That is also correct. It has a webbed feet. That is wrong. Webbed feet तो डक के होते हैं. It has fins. That is right. It has long tongue. No. It has a tail acting as a rudder. That is also right. So A, B, D or F. This is the right one. Okay. Now let's do it. Identify the following picture and write 2 adaptation these animal possess and use internet to search for extra information. So first क्या है बेटा? ये क्या है? लीफ इंसेक्ट है ना? तो लुक लाइक ट्विग. टहनी की तरह नजर आती है, एंड रिमेनिंग मोशनलेस फॉर आवर्स, और कई देर तक, कई घंटों तक ये बिना हिले डुले रह सकती है। दिस इज porcupines. Porcupines have spines and they have rodent with long sharp front teeth. उनके जो आगे के जो दांत होते हैं, फ्रंट टीथ होते हैं, वो रैट की तरह शार्प होते हैं। नाउ पैडल लाइक फ्लिपर्स, ये क्या है? क्या है बेटा? ये टर्टल। ओके, तो पैडल लाइक फ्लिपर्स होते हैं और ये हार्ड शेल। कैमल, पैडेड फीट एंड हम्प ऑन इट्स बैक। ओके, so beta, you have to write all the question answers in your fair notebook and do the activity file and fun file in your book. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care beta. Bye.